There's no replacement for these 5 things. Everyone needs to get sufficient amount of quality sleep. Most people need between 6 and 8. Teenagers, young kids, let them sleep as much as they want. Number 2, it is important to get movement, ideally an hour a day of some sort of movement, weightlifting or running or cycling or Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, if that's your thing. Get your heart rate up, get your breathing up. You'll live longer, you'll feel better. Next one, sunlight. Get some sunlight in your eyes, ideally in the morning. If you wake up before the sun comes out, flip on bright lights and then get outside once the sun is out. Get as much sunlight as you can. Nutrition. Try and get 75 to 80% of your food from non-processed or minimally processed foods. Social connection. Do what you can to make the interactions that you have online and in reality with friends, with family, like as healthy as possible. Some people are more introverted, some people are more extroverted. It's just all of that, but quality social connection. And then I think the one thing we left out is hydration. Yes. Try and drink enough water, make sure you get enough electrolytes. That's key too. I guarantee if you do those 5 things, your mental health and physical health is going to benefit. It's inevitable.